In a forgotten town, a group of friends dares to enter the old mansion, rumored to be haunted seeking adventure, but unwittingly unlocking a mystery that binds them to the spirits within. As they venture deeper into the mansion, strange noises echo around them, and whispers of the past begin to unveil themselves, capturing their minds and hearts. Each corner of the house reveals secrets long buried, and as Sarah peers into the mirror, she realizes the spirits within the mansion are reaching out for help. Determined to uncover the truth, the friends bravely decide to explore the newly revealed passage, knowing it may hold the key to freeing the trapped spirits. In the depths of the mansion, they discover a hidden chamber where echoes of the past intertwine with their present, and the key to breaking the curse lies within the mysterious chest. As they unlock the chest, a vision unfolds, revealing the heart-wrenching story of those who once lived there, and the friends realize time is running out to set the spirits free. With courage in their hearts, the friends prepare to confront the restless spirits, understanding that only by acknowledging their pain can they hope to bring peace to the haunted mansion.